Spot rates of electricity on the Indian Energy Exchange spiked to record highs over the last few days as news of coal-consequent power shortages hit the headlines. The day-after rate, or the rate at which power distribution companies buy power to meet deficits in supply, have shot up on the IEX from an average of 4.4 per unit in September to an average of rupees 15.86 per unit on the 12th of October. Government rules cap the per unit price at 20 rupees. During trade, some distribution companies have picked up loads for this price as well to meet peak demand. Reports meanwhile suggest that in their meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah on Monday, the officers from the Power Ministry revealed how some state governments were using the spurt in spot prices on the energy exchange to sell electricity for large profits, while resorting to load shedding. Fresh guidelines issued Tuesday morning ensured that this does not happen. Centre has ordered that 15% power from the central generating stations, normally kept as unallocated power, is first allocated to consumers in the state, and also any surplus after that is sent to needy states instead of being sold to exchanges. Meanwhile, states are split along the political lines in their reaction to the coal crisis.
दिल्ली पर सर जैसे हमने एनटीपीसी से 3,500 मेगावाट बिजली लेते हैं, वो आधी दे रहे हैं, तो हमारे को बहुत महंगी बिजली खरीदनी पड़ रही है। तो 20 रुपये यूनिट और 17 रुपये 25 पैसे यूनिट के हिसाब से बिजली परचेज करनी पड़ रही है, जो कि अगर एनटीपीसी को जो करार किए गए उनके साथ, उनके साथ समझौता है वो दे दें तो हमारे को वही 4-5 रुपये मिलेगी, 6 रुपये मिलेगी।
उत्तर प्रदेश में 24 घंटे बिजली दी जाएगी, उसके बारे में मुख्यमंत्री जी स्वयं कहते हैं बिजली सबको मिलेगी और कटौती नहीं होगी, ये ऐलान हुआ।
Power outages aside, the current spot prices are also burdening the already loss-making state electricity boards, an additional expense which the taxpayers will finally have to bear. And for the government, the issue is already a hot potato, given that outages could dim festive spirit in the next 1 month. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.